All right. Good afternoon, evening, morning, whatever it is where you're at. And yeah, you can see I got some clamps sitting on the table, and I got some glued up glue ups that I need to do some cleaning up on. So yes, I do have a woodworking project in the pipeline, but that's not what this video is about. What this video is about is another Loot Crate, Lord of the Rings again. I have to say this one feels a hell of a lot lighter than the other one, but obviously I don't know what's in it yet. So I've got to open it up and see. So that being said, I was kind of disappointed with overall with the last crate. At the very best, I think I'd give it a C-. I'm hoping this one's going to be a little bit better, but again, we'll see. I did cancel my subscription. I have had this crate coming to me. I might have another one coming to me after this one. I might have another Firefly crate in the pipeline somewhere. I don't know. If I get them, though, I'll open them up like this for you. So anyway, yeah, it is. It's pretty thin. All right, let's see what we got. We have 2 pairs of socks. These are hideous, honestly. Sam and Frodo, it looks like. And Gimli and Legolas. And yeah, these are not. Yeah, I'm just not particularly thrilled with those. Honestly, I think the Gandalf socks were a lot better just because of the way they worked. I mean, I have a friend who might be interested in these. I don't know. We will see. So, a Rohan banner. All right, I can see this, kinda. Let's see. Okay, it's nylon. It feels pretty sturdy. But it's only one-sided. Okay, now I'm picking nits here at this point because it is meant to only be displayed like this. So no, this isn't bad. This isn't bad at all. But not really my thing. Oh. So yeah, let's see. All right, let's see. We got a T-shirt of some sort. No. Sorry. Again, just well, here, let me give you a close-up. The print quality on that is not good. It's very blotchy. Yeah. No, I mean, I have the feeling Loot Crate is really scraping right now. So, yeah, I don't know. I just have to say I don't know. Okay, well, let's see. Well, the box is halfway crushed, but let's see what we get here. This is a, oh, okay, all right, held on by a rare earth magnet. That's pretty cool. Good job there. Oh, okay, this is a 1-ring bracelet. So that's actually a braided bracelet. That's actually kind of cool. I do kind of like that. Let's get another closer view. And let's see, get that out of the way. Yeah. So no, that's interesting. And if it really came down to it, you could take the cords apart and just run with the bracelet on its own. So the last thing that we have here is what looks like a map of Middle Earth of some sort. And it looks like I'm right. So it's There we go. Is that right side up? I can't tell from my angle. It looks right side up. Yeah, the mountains are pointed the right way. All right, no, that's not bad. Although I have no clue what I would do with it. It's really too big to frame. And well, let's see. Wait, what is it supposed to be? It's supposed to be a tablecloth? Let's see. Oh, a Middle-earth tapestry scarf. Okay, that makes sense. All right, yeah, I can see that. Except I wouldn't wear it. I'm more of a kind of a striped 70s color stripes type person when it comes to that. But I mean, this isn't bad. I certainly wouldn't use it for that. I mean, I'm a Lord of the Rings fan. I do enjoy the lore and everything about it. Although I have to say the Silmarillion is a really tough read. But anyway, no, this would look, I mean, kind of cool hanging up somewhere or even framed. But like I said, it does make I can see how it makes an interesting scarf, except, well, yeah. So, I think you see why I canceled my Loot Crate subscription, because I'm just not seeing the imagination that it seems like they used to have in getting some of this stuff. Then again, it may not be that easy to find a lot of Lord of the Rings themed stuff. So that's why this is a Loot Crate exclusive, this T-shirt. And I have to say, it's a pretty bad T-shirt. And that's why we got not one, but two pairs of socks here that are never going to go on my feet. Although, like I said, I do have a friend who likes wearing weird socks. The banner, I could see hanging this up in my computer room where I've got other nerdy stuff hanging up. So yeah, it's something that I could certainly see, but it's definitely not something I would have bought for myself either. So yeah, D at best. The only thing I really like is the scarf, and I don't like it because it's a scarf. I like it because it's a map of Middle Earth. I would have rather had a nice map of Middle Earth. I think that would have done the trick for me. So, all right. With that, I think I need to get this edited, and don't worry. Here soon, you will have another woodworking video. I am planning to go see Thing 1, and this is supposed to be a present for him. So, I will talk to you later. Bye.